How to turn on or turn off display touch sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. So you will see displays here, so click on display. Now here, scroll down and click on touch sensitivity. You will see touch sensitivity is here. So if you want to turn off touch sensitivity, so turn off touch sensitivity, you will see touch sensitivity is disabled and turn off. So if you want to turn on touch sensitivity, so turn on this button, you will see touch sensitivity is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off touch sensitivity from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off display touch sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.